Hi everybody, Alex Zhavoronkov here. Today I would like to announce the launch of Insilico Drug Discovery and Development Benchmarks, so ddb.insilico.com, and we will have multiple other websites providing extensions of this benchmarking initiative. One of the most important areas of AI-powered drug discovery is the ability to test whether your AI produced a good result or not. Humans are not great at that. So if you use human experts as surveyors and evaluators of your AI-generated content in drug discovery, you are going to fail. Otherwise, those experts would have been able to produce perfect molecules themselves. So in order to validate our AI, sometimes this AI may take days, hours, or months to develop. We have to validate the performance of this AI using our own programs. We also provide these models very often to the entire market and do community level validation. Many people were asking us since 2020, why are you empowering the entire industry? Well, the answer is actually to see which models work better and in what kind of conditions. So now we have 6 years of market level validation. We have more than 40 programs that reached certain stages within drug discovery. We have 32 developmental candidates, 13 INDs, 8 phase 1s, 3 phase 2s, 1 phase 3. So actually pretty incredible pace of R&D productivity that also allows us to reinvest much of the revenue that we generate from licensing out those products of AI back into the AI, so all achieving profitability for the first half of this year already. And every time we launch a drug to developmental candidate, we generate a massive number of benchmarks, so evals, whatever you call it. So we can actually perform 1.2 thousand tests from zero to this wonderful point, one step before human clinical trial, where you have already completed 28-day non-GLP toxicity studies in at least 2 species. And of course, a massive number of in vivo and in vitro efficacy and safety studies before that. And before that, enzymatic assays and other molecular assays. So from Insilico experience, you generate about 1.2 thousand benchmarks from 0 to DC. And you can actually compress some of those benchmarks so that you have much fewer kind of categories of assays that you can use to evaluate AI performance. And now we're making many of those benchmarks available and also we're partnering on them. However, most of those benchmarks need to remain private. Otherwise, if they leak into the models, they become useless because the model trains on them and becomes overfitted. It doesn't really get the what you're trying to predict or generate. So in some cases, we can even provide our internal programs as a benchmark, where you can utilize different conditions at any point in time in a program to predict the rest of the program or to generate specific types of data that might come out of this program that we have and nobody else has. So we are welcoming collaborators to join our benchmarking initiative. We're also forming the benchmarking consortium around our sets of benchmarks. We are also providing for federated benchmarking and welcoming academic collaborators to join because it's a team effort. We believe that foundation models will take more and more of the drug discovery and development tasks. We are helping many frontier AI companies to achieve state-of-the-art or state-of-the-art level of performance in many drug discovery and development tasks utilizing our MMAI-GM, multimodal AI-GM for science. And the first kind of date with a model always starts with benchmarking to evaluate where it is, and then we are coaching it to get to super intelligence in multiple tasks. So please join our effort. We now have 1.5 years of benchmarking experience. I think nobody in the world has these capabilities at this moment. So we'd love to collaborate with your company, with your academic team. So please visit ddb.insilico.com and join our benchmarking consortium.